Hey guys, welcome back. So, actually, what we are going to cover, right, in this full session and what this channel is all about. So, as in my about playlist, you have might seen the intro of myself. So, I have already explained what I'm gonna actually do for my channel, right? So, what we are gonna do, this all are the topic that we are going to cover in the coming session, and if we see, we have collected all the topic that is related to our QA specific and how it can help in our scaling up the QA skill, right? So if you see here, we'll first be starting with the Java and its interview questions as well. So I'm gonna give the full tutorial on Java from basic to advanced, uh, including all the main core Java concepts and all the flows as well. And same goes for the programming. So once this Java session is completed, we're gonna check out some interview question on the real time basis. How we actually get Java questions, right? How we been asked a Java question, right? Next, we will do the Java programming. So here we will be learning about the real-time interview questions that we get, correct, including all a basic algorithm DSA concept as well. So we'll be doing every possible scenarios here, right? Coming to the manual testing part, so here again we'll be covering all the manual testing, basic to advanced, with the interview question as well, what we actually get in a real time scenario during your interview, right? And then we'll be doing Selenium. This will be full session of Selenium, how we do the automation with Selenium, right? With interview question again as well. So after every session, you are saying the interview question, which is a bonus point for you all guys. I'll be keeping all those questions at the end of my session, right? After each topic. So again, come the test engine. So this again for the TDD framework, we'll be covering the test engine and the interview question as well, and we'll be knowing about XPath, the working of XPath in full way, correct? Uh, Next, we'll be doing, since we'll be completing all this thing. So now we want to do the full automation, right? Including our Java manual testing, Selenium testing, XPaths, right? So we'll be doing the UI automation with TDD using Java, Selenium, and TestNG with Maven project using POM, correct? Which will again skill up your current profile, right? And we will again be looking into some interview question on mix basis, like Selenium, Java, and TestNG. What this mixture can do, what kind of question can come around here, right? So we'll be looking into that as well. Next, we will be seeing API testing. We'll be doing manual API. We'll be understanding the concept of responses and request bodies, right? And how we can manually test it in Postman. This will be the manual testing of API, and then understanding the API flow. In the same session, we will also be doing the automation for API using REST assured with Java and TestNG. And in the end of this session, we again go through each interview question that might come, right, in API and REST assured, correct? Then we will be in the end session, we will be seeing about SQL. So these are the topics for now, which we will be covering in a fast basis. We'll be continuing on fast basis without any break or something, correct? Why I'm saying this, because so that this can be covered at, at once, and then you can practice along with. Next, the bonus tutorial. This I'll start once my above topics are finished. So this I'll be starting, which have a main bonus tutorial. But before this, you need to go through all this, and then only you can jump into the bonus tutorial. Since bonus tutorial is the thing that you every QA should know what's the working of Maven, Git and Jenkins, Jira, JMeter, right? We'll be also taking a full session of APM, correct, and full session of Cucumber BDD, right, and the full session of JMeter as well. And we'll know about basic on Maven, Git and Jenkins, Jira, and working on different ID. Will be coming to know this as well, and we'll be looking into the Python scripting language as well. So this also I'll cover. Uh, we will be covering C Sharp as well, right? We'll be covering Node, JavaScript, and TypeScript. So the languages like already Java will be done before, but after that we'll be looking into Python, C Sharp, and the Node with JavaScript and TypeScript, right? And there are some monitoring tool that helps QA basically to look into the API breakage or any flow that got break, right, for your application. How we can look into it, how we can analyze it, which boost your resume plus your skill, right? So we'll be knowing about Dynatrace. It's a monitoring tool, and the Jabix as well. On which time, on which date, all this thing we can filter out and check this. We'll be knowing about Kubernetes, Argo CD, and Rancher. These and three are related. Kubernetes container deployment with pods, Argo CD where we can check the deployment from UI, and the Rancher, which through which we can actually navigate to the pod and look into the server live data, right? We will be exploring some Salesforce application where we can create incident. We get an incident, how to reply, and everything. In the end we will be seeing some AI tools as well. We'll go through some AI tools, basic working scenarios, how we can give an exact prompt, and we'll be getting our acquired response as well, right? So if you feel something like to be added in the bonus tutorial, just let me know in the comment section so that I can add it here more and more. But yeah, we will be starting from here as I mentioned, and then we will jump into the bonus tutorial, right? So yeah, that's it. Do press the subscribe button, guys, so that you will be tuned. And yep, let's wait. Let's hope for the best that we can cover all the session together. Thank you.